All right, so the question is, can we share list view with two different roles or more than one roles? The answer is yes. We do that the same way. So go to sharing settings and share this list view with groups. And so here we are now sharing it with roles. We're going to try to share it with roles. So I can type, for example, this role, and then I can also type the other roles. They get populated, okay? And then you just choose them and click save. So in this scenario, we're sharing that list view with multiple roles. Click save, and it is shared. And if you can also share it with multiple roles and subordinates, so let's go ahead and do that as well. Sharing setting, I am setting it back to only I can see it, and then we will save it, and then we will come back and share it with multiple roles and subordinates. I'm selecting that option. I'm going to select this option first, and then, well, um, if you there's one thing over here as well. If you select these roles and subordinates, then you don't have to again explicitly share with this role as well, because this role comes under that role, right? And if you choose roles and subordinates and choose the CEO role, that means other users with roles below CEO will get access to that as well. But in some cases, we have these two roles, right? For example, these two, VP Marketing and VP North American Sales, they are in parallel. So they are not under each other. They all are under SVP Sales and Marketing roles. If I want to share with VP Marketing and VP North American Sales, I could do that, okay? So I could type VP Marketing, and with these roles and subordinate options, VP Marketing will get the access and marketing team will get the access, okay? So let's go back, configure that. I have chosen roles and subordinates option, okay? So I am getting rid of this role, and I will type that VP Marketing, right? VP Marketing, roles and subordinates. So that means this role and this role will get the access. Now I want to share it with VP North American Sales. Okay, let's go back and type VP North American Sales. And it means my list view will be shared with VP North American role and its subordinate roles. Okay, this role, this role, this role, this role, and this role. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and save it. Let's go back as let's go and check it as the test user. So you see he still has the access. All right. Why? Because our test user's role is Western sales team, and that falls under this role. Okay, that falls under this role. All right. Now, if I go back, let's say I want to remove VP North American Sales. I'm going to go back to my list view. I will remove VP North American Sales and click Save. And go back as a test user, refresh. Now that test user lost access to this list view. Why is that? That is because my test user's role is Western sales team, and Western sales team is under this role. Yes, I am sharing that list view with VP Marketing, but VP Marketing, under VP Marketing, we have only this role. All right. If our test user had marketing team role or VP marketing team, he would be able to see that list view, but in this scenario, he is not able to see it because his role is Western sales team, and a Western sales team comes under this role. And this role and this role are parallel. You can see it from here. See this line going? That means they are not under each other. Okay, they're not under each other. They are like, they have the same level of access to the list views. I hope that distinction is clear. That's pretty much it. We covered like pretty much all the details about sharing the list view by using roles and subordinates.